What you're going to watch is made with AI, and we will break down how to make it.
What will you do when those whose hearts have been taken over by hatred come for you?
I think maybe just talk to them.
So, let's talk.
If you walk into the darkness, I'll drag you back.
You're already too late.
You will lose everyone you love if you don't become stronger.
Our enemies have godlike power, so get on with it!
I never go back on my word. That's my ninja way.
Stunning, huh? If you think that this is a real teaser of a Naruto movie, I can't blame you. The quality has everything needed to be called a cinematic teaser. But to be fair, I will tell you that it was created entirely by AI. Yes. Today, AI technology already supports creating videos at another level, like the one you just saw. The video you saw was created by a creator named Ryomp_TX using Higgsfield's new feature, Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio is a new way to create cinematic images and videos inside Higgsfield, starting from a single intentional frame and turning it into a polished shot. It's designed to help creators get a premium, film-like look with simple creative choices, not technical prompting. With this Cinema Studio feature at Higgsfield, you can create professional-grade cinematic content powered by real camera and lens simulation. Generate stunning 21:9 images and then bring them to life as video. Yes, you can instantly choose your camera, lens, and focal length. Each combination creates a distinct cinematic look. From vintage film grain to modern digital clarity. Let's talk about this. For example, we have this base image, a wide view of Naruto in action, and you want to create another close-up to show the character's expression or face. Just upload the reference image and type. Now give a close-up of Naruto's face, Tom Holland. Then choose your settings. You can choose the camera type from Red V Raptor, IMAX film camera, Arri Alexa 35, and many more. Next, you can customize your lens like Zeiss Ultra Prime, Arri Signature Prime, Panavision C-Series, and many more options to explore your style, including the focal length itself. This really gives you the freedom to explore your creative style and mood to the next level of filmmaking. After this, you can set how many images you want to generate, from 1 to 4 results, and then choose the resolution, up to 4K. Then hit Generate, and here is the result. It's easy to get consistent characters and actions from different angles with a consistent style and film grading. Just make sure you choose the same camera type and lens between your images for the same look and style. You can use the image as an image reference for the next clip. Make it a starting frame or an end frame, or even create a multi-shot to see alternative angles from your scene. It will create 9 different cinematic angles in one generation. It's really easy and gives you multiple creative angles to choose from for your scene in one go. After you get the image, you can easily turn it into a video. It's already one unified flow, in a single workflow without jumping between tools. With image to video, you can lock the frame, then extend it into motion, without losing the look. If you don't have knowledge about camera movements, no worries. You can add camera movements to videos because it already has templates for that. You can choose pan, tilt, dolly, zoom, and more. Combine movements to create dynamic, professional sequences. Then choose the duration of the video and turn this on if you want to include audio generation. You can also create a slow-motion cinematic effect here if you want. Set the batch number for generation and click Generate. As simple as that. In this cinema studio, camera and lens profiles act as style anchors to keep shots consistent and intentional. The mode is built to deliver a film-like look, mood, texture, and cinematic tone. It has clean, production-minded controls that prioritize results over complexity. And the result is sharper, more believable shots with premium detail and realism. This means you can focus more on storytelling and creativity instead of getting stuck on technical details. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just a Naruto fan who wants to experiment with cinematic visuals, this tool opens up a new creative playground powered by AI. Now let's see a glimpse of another creator's results with this Cinema Studio. They bring creative ideas to the next level.
Merry Christmas.
Why they be down the boy? Tell 'em it's part of the plan. Come on.
Unbelievable, right? Early tests already show it clearly. AI cinema is no longer theoretical. Cinema Studio is a major step toward real AI cinema. In my personal opinion, this new Higgsfield AI feature is a must-try. Check the link in my description to try these phenomenal features from Higgsfield AI. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.